Ever wondered who could win in a head-butting contest with a rock? Spoiler alert, it's not you. It's goats. Stick around for 25 mind-blowing facts about these quirky creatures that are sure to get your goat. 1. Goats have horns for fashion and function. They're not just for show. They help goats cool down. Talk about natural air conditioning. 2. These creatures are the ultimate escape artists. If Houdini were an animal, he'd definitely be a goat. 3. Goats have been hanging out with us since the dawn of agriculture. They were the original Farmville experience. 4. Speaking of milk, 1 or 2 goats can keep a family's milk glasses full for a whole year. That's what I call a milk stash. 5. Cashmere comes from goats, not from some fancy store. So next time you're wearing that soft sweater, thank a goat. 6. Goat meat is a global favorite. It's like the pizza of meats. Everyone loves it. 7. There are so many goat breeds, even the experts can't agree on a number. It's the animal kingdom's version of counting stars. 8. Miniature goats aren't just adorable, they're also milk machines. Who needs a cow when you've got a mini goat? 9. Mountain goats aren't really goats, they're more like the distant cousins who show up uninvited to family reunions. 10. Goats have rectangular pupils, which means they have a wide field of vision. It's like they have built-in panoramic cameras. 11. These animals can climb trees. Yes, trees. If you see one up there, it's not a cat, it's a goat. 12. Goats were one of the first animals to be sent to space. That's one small step for a goat, one giant leap for goat kind. 13. Their stomachs have 4 compartments. It's like having 4 different food processors in one kitchen. 14. Goats can be taught their name and to come when called. It's like having a dog, but with horns. 15. They don't have teeth in their upper front jaw. So, no worries about them biting. They're all gums. 16. Goats have accents. Yes, you heard that right. They sound different depending on where they're from. It's the goat version of hello mate versus howdy partner. 17. A group of goats is called a trip, probably because watching them jump around is trippy. 18. Goats have been known to eat almost anything, including tin cans. They're the original recyclers. 19. Their eyes can see almost 360 degrees. They've got the whole "I've got eyes in the back of my head" thing down pat. 20. Baby goats are called kids. So technically, you can have kids and still be kid-free. 21. Goats are social creatures. They get lonely and depressed if left alone. Who knew goats could be such drama queens? 22. They communicate with each other by bleating. Each goat has its own distinct voice. It's like they have their own goat chat app. 23. Goats are great swimmers. They could probably give Michael Phelps a run for his money. 24. Their lifespan is typically around 15 to 18 years. That's a lot of time to perfect the art of headbutting. 25. Lastly, goats have beards. And sometimes they're better than the ones you see at hipster coffee shops. And there you have it. 25 fascinating facts about goats that you can chew on until our next video. If you enjoyed these Baa-rilliant facts, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite goat fact in the comments below. Stay tuned for more fun facts that'll make you the life of the party, or at least the farm.